In this video, we are going to see how we can quickly resolve this error that says failed to enumerate objects in a container, access is denied. So whether you face this problem in Windows 10 or Windows 11, here is a quick solution for you. So first of all, let's create a folder and I'll name it as my folder. Go to the properties of that and click on the security tab from here. And from here, we click advanced, and under the advanced option, we see this owner section where we have the change button next to it. We'll click on this. And from here, again, we click on advanced, click on find now. And here a couple of users will appear at the bottom. And whatever account you're logged in with, you need to find that particular user account. So to select that, click OK and click OK. And after that, you will tick both of these options. First of all, replace owner on subcontainers and objects. We'll check that. And also we will click on replace all child objects permission entries with inheritable permissions entries from this object. We'll check that and click on apply and OK. It says this will replace explicitly defined permissions on all descendants of this objects with inheritable permissions from my folder. Do you wish to continue? You'll click yes. Click yes and click OK, and finally hit apply and OK and OK. And you might need to restart your computer once in order to make that effective, and that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.